Hey guys, Fix It John here. This video is about how I found the leak in my back tire, my slow leak in my back tire. I was losing like 10 pounds every 2 to 3 days. And I was losing air in my front tire too, and I still am, but it was never as bad as in my back tire, as a tubeless tire. In this video, I'll show you how I found the leak and fixed it. I fixed it by making this a tube tire. It is no longer a tubeless tire. So if you watch the video halfway through, you'll finally find out what was causing my slow leak in my tubeless tire.
Here's the, that's where the hole was. Right there where I've peeled that sealant back. It is right there just above my thumb. Now, it kept, it's good stuff. That's a huge hole for this stuff, but that's a pretty big hole. I'm gonna throw a patch on it and probably a tube too. But if you're not sure about compatibility with your tire sealant, you can just get in here and peel this stuff out. All it is a latex. Just grab it. I'm working with one hand here, but just take it and peels right out. Just take it and clean it out. Remount your tire and put the stands in. I went ahead and cleaned it and put a patch on it. So if anything, that'll stop anything new from coming through. Same hole. But yeah, I'm gonna throw this this tube on it, and hopefully we won't have any more leaks coming out the side of it or wherever it was coming. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you what the inside of a tubeless bike tire looks like. It's got like a plastic coating in there. And I've never seen one myself. That's why I wanted to show you guys. I got most of that bond tracker out of there, but this is the valve stem right here. This is the part that seats against the inside of the rim. And you screw that bolt down. But yeah, I had a heck of a time getting it out. No wonder why, because it's not lined up in there. See right there? That could have been what was causing my tire to leak. 10 pounds every 2 days. Right there. It's not lined up. See it from this side. And I don't know where that would have happened, at the factory or at the bike shop or what, but yeah. That's a straight on shot, and that is not lined up. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but it could have been holding this valve stem here at an angle and causing it to seep air out. It does have a little rubber gasket there. And then you can see where the tire sealant has filled in. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna throw my tube in there and see if I can straighten that up. Here it is, guys, right there. Yeah, I had to literally unscrew the other one out. I can't screw a tube tire valve stem in, so I'm gonna have to try to move this over, knock it over, or drill it out, because that is not right. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you what I did, and a lot of you guys probably aren't gonna like it, but I got tired of putting air in it every 2 days to ride my bike. 10 pounds of air. But right now, this is no longer going to work as a tubeless tire. As you can see, it's still not lined up, but I took a razor blade and wallered that side out. And then after I set my valve stem on it, I noticed this little area here, it comes up like a flat block. So it can hold this tubeless valve stem in there. And now it won't sit flat to where the O-ring will seal it off. And I did that purposely. I went ahead and rounded that flat block off, which is right there. It's like a flat block, because I didn't want my inner tube to rub on that and go flat and poke a hole in it. So I took a half round file and filed it down, and that's probably why I was losing air right there, guys, because that valve stem was probably every time the wheel would flex, this thing would move. So yeah, I can get my valve stem through it now, and they need to do a better job on their design there. That's uncalled for right there. I shall go through there. And I can have a tube tire. And I also use the stands in this. But yeah, a little disappointed there that I'm sure this rim is pricey. But who wants to put air in their tire every 2 days? And I know, you know, Trek may have replaced the whole thing for me, but who wants to run down to the bike shop all the time? Well, let me show you what it looks like in there. I didn't show you good. So yeah, the top of this, at the bottom of the valve stem there where the rubber is, it was hitting that square pad where the other valve stem would seal. And I didn't want that, so I wanted it to be as round as this. It's not quite as round, but it's not going to rub on a sharp edge either. And I should be able to have it till the tube goes bad or get another hole in it. But yeah, not crazy about a tubeless tire anymore. I did try straightening this hole up with a punch, and it would move just in this area, but slide right back. So that'll never seal properly again. So tube tire from here on out. Gonna do it again for tubed or tubeless tires stands. I really like it. Really did a great job. I think if that valve stem would have been lined up, it would have worked perfectly, but it wasn't. So yeah, this video has turned out to be a little bit longer than I thought. Hopefully it'll help someone. Really good stuff. I don't need to put this in there, but you know what? If it starts to leak, it's gonna work out good. Don't pierce the hole in the inner tube. Spin this sucker around. That has a sharp point on it. She's in there, guys. Don't forget to rinse this out with water. Get my needle nose pliers on because I don't have the right tool. Don't have to be crazy tight, just snug. I mean, I'm barely putting any pressure on it. That's plenty snug. And we'll put some air to it, 50 pounds. We're gonna go slow. See that line right there? It's like a ridge line. See it going under here? And if I can work it out. That way we know it seats good. Oh, there it is. See it coming out? Just let it slide out. It would have been a good idea to put some soapy water in there to help it. But it's coming out. There it goes. Right here.
Watch the bead right here if you can see that, guys. Boom, she's popped out. All right, 50.5 pounds, 50.5 pounds. We're gonna check it in 2 days and see if it's leaked 10 pounds out. All right, guys, Fix It John here. It's been 2 days since I put air in it, and I think it was 50.5 pounds when I aired it up. So we're gonna check the air. It's been 2 days since I put the tube in it. And we're at 49 pounds, so we've lost 1.5 pounds in 2 days. That's better than 10 pounds in 2 days. So yeah, that tube really helped out a lot. I think we were losing the air through the valve stem because you saw where it wasn't going in straight. And it was cold out today too, so yeah, very happy with it. Guys, if you like videos like this, hit that like button, smash that notification bell, and if you hated this video, hit the thumbs down button 2 times to let me know you really didn't like it. Fix It John, thanks for watching.